Hi Geminis, welcome back to my channel. Guys, this is your love and general reading. We'll see what's in store for you. So this is a timeless reading, so if you're drawn to this video, you may definitely have a message here. So Geminis, we'll see what's in store for you as far as your love life is concerned. This is for all Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. You can check your placements, and if you're a cross watcher, you can switch the energy as it suits you. Okay, because if you have come to this video, you definitely will have a message here. So keep in mind, this is a general reading, guys. It will resonate to most of you, not all of you, so take whatever resonates and leave the rest. Okay, so you can stay in touch with me. My Instagram details are mentioned here, and if you want a personal reading, you can always book your readings. My website address is mentioned here, so you can book your personal readings too. All right, so let's start, Geminis. What do we have in store for you? Okay, the first card that flipped is Ace of Cups. New love. This could be a new beginning with the same person or new love. Queen of Wands. Ace of Pentacles. Oh my God. Gemini, this is all love, love, love in the air. Some of you, you could have two options in your life right now. This could be between two job offers. This could be between two love offers. I think you guys have options, Gemini. And you are like in this place, you know, okay, who do I go forward with? Who do I choose? This could be a job offer, a career opportunity. Maybe you have two career offers, or maybe you're confused between two career choices, or this could be that you have two job offers or two contracts and you don't know which one to choose. So you are in your power, Gemini. You are in your power, and I certainly see that you literally wished for something and that's there. Okay, this is there. This could be a love, this could be a career. What's in store for my Geminis? Some of you, you are like, I don't want to settle for anything less than what I deserve. You are in this energy where I feel that in spite of being in a relationship, you were not happy, content. Maybe you were expecting something more in your relationship and you did not find it. So that is why you are thinking of exploring a new relationship. I do see that some of you, you are literally, you want something more. It's like you're not happy in your current relationship, so could be that you want to explore some other relationship. So that is something that I see strongly. Singles, if you have been single for long, I do see somebody who is interested in you, and this is like a strong commitment. Somebody has deep love for you and it's a strong commitment, singles. So I have these two cards together, Six of Cups and King of Swords. Yeah, certainly some of you expect some unexpected wealth. Okay, I do see a promotion, I do see an appraisal. Maybe you're looking for an appraisal in your company, you have it. You're going to get some unexpected wealth, like somebody is going to come forward and help you. Okay, somebody is there to help you, Gemini. Just see around, look around. I do see there's somebody who wants to help you in every possible way. So it's like a support that you may have got through universe. Okay, I see that. Four of Swords, Knight of Swords. Okay, some of you, I think you are with your person. Okay, maybe your person is ghosting you. This person, you are dealing with somebody who may have ghosted you recently. Okay, this person just stopped speaking to you all of a sudden. This person kept you wondering, like, where the hell is this person? Why are they not talking to me? Why are they ghosting me? So maybe this person, I feel that you're dealing with somebody who may have ghosted you. Okay, they stopped talking to you, or they kind of withdrew from this relationship. And maybe this person was thinking, okay, this person is in this place where they were thinking about whether you are the right person for them, whether you are the right kind, whether they can go forward with you, whether can this person marry you. So this person was in this energy. I do see them in the energy where they are trying to figure out whether are you the right kind, something like this. So, but one thing is for that this person has immense love for you. They see you as somebody who makes them happy. So you have definitely done something to make this person happy, whoever you're dealing with. This could be a new person, this could be your existing partner too. Okay, so I certainly see two choices. So some of you, you have two choices, your present person and there is a new person who may have entered your life, and that's a strong commitment. So this person, whoever you're dealing with, they are aggressively moving towards you. This person knows that you are their wish fulfillment, you are their happiness, so they want you. They want you. Page of Cups. This person wants to talk. But some of you, I feel that you're already spending some good time with this person, but I don't know why I feel that you are not very happy with somebody. Okay, this could be your partner. You feel that in spite of they having immense love for you, you are not happy with them. Okay, there is a sense of discontentment. It's like you want more. So there's something that you're seeking in this relationship and that's missing, because of which you feel like exploring some other relationship. That is something that I see very strongly. And you are like, hey, listen, I want more. I cannot settle for anything less. You feel that this person doesn't, they love you. There's no doubt. You know that this person loves you. But I feel that your relationship has come to a point where there is not enough spark left. Some of you, I think you are looking for some physical intimacy in your relationship and that is missing, because of which you feel like moving away from this person. That could also be the thing, Gemini. Okay, you feel that this person is never there and you are not happy in some way, because of which you want to move out of this relationship. You know that this person loves you, they are your happiness. This person is somebody who won't give up on you, but I still feel that you're just not happy. Okay, some sort of discontentment, and I feel that the physical chemistry is missing between both of you. Okay, I don't know why I get this. Some of you feel that with your present person you have a lot of emotions, but there is not enough physical chemistry between you both, because of which you want to explore some other relationship or you are drawn towards somebody else. That could also be the thing here. Let's see your energies. Queen of Cups. You know that this person loves you so much, so much. Let's see your energies. What are you thinking towards this person? Okay. Oh my God, I've got all three cards together. Page of Swords, Two of Swords, Ten of Cups. See, you know that this is the right person, this is the marriage kinds, you can go forward with this person, but still there's something that's holding you back. You know that this person is not going anywhere, you know that they are there for you, but still I do see confusion. I do feel that you're confused between two choices. You definitely have two choices. There's one person you're emotionally connected to, and there is this other where you feel that there's a lot of physical attraction between both of you. That is missing with the first one. So because of which you're drawn to somebody else. That is also something that I see here, guys. Okay, I feel that there is a lot of spying. You guys are spying on somebody. Okay, so you are keeping a constant watch on somebody. You could be stalking this person. I feel that you're keeping a constant close watch on somebody you really love and you have feelings for. And you are in this place where you feel like exploring some other relationship, Gemini. I don't know why I feel that in spite of being with your current partner, you want to explore something else, a strong commitment that may have come your way recently. Some of you want to begin fresh with the same person. With the same person you want to start all over again. So maybe you are sitting, talking to each other, discussing about how can you both make it work. Okay, that is something I see here. Some of you may have got a new job recently, and you are in this place when you're negotiating on the package, on the salary, on the money that they are going to give you. So I do see negotiations as far as your job is concerned. So this could be a promotion. Maybe you are asking your seniors or the company to pay you more, or I do see the stage where you are negotiating and you are in this energy where you're not going to take anything that you're not happy with. So you want it your way, you are not going to settle for anything less. Okay, that is something I see. You want a good package as far as your career is concerned. You want the right partner. It's like, especially if you're single, you have two choices and you don't want to settle for anything less. And you know, the choices are like, there is one who loves you a lot, but then there is the other person with whom you feel that there's a lot of physical chemistry. So you are confused between these two people. That is also something that I see. Some of you are going to very soon reconcile. If you're looking for a reconciliation, yes, I do see that. It is like somebody who ghosted you is going to come back all of a sudden, say sorry, apologize, do every possible thing to make it work. Look at this. Somebody is coming back in your life and you don't know whether to accept this person again or not. So you're confused because this person is late. Maybe you have found somebody else. There's somebody else who's offering you a strong commitment, a marriage, and now you are confused. You've come to a point where you are like, what do I do? I just don't have one. I have two options. Okay, that is there. Let's see. What do you want? What do you want, my Geminis? Let's see, what are you wanting? Fool. You're just going with the flow. You don't know what to seek. Of course, you want a strong commitment. You want the right partner, but you're confused. Okay, so I feel you're going with the flow, and you are not going to settle for anything less. You want the right person. So this time I think you're going to go slow. You're going with the flow. You don't know what to do. I do see a sense of confusion. You feel that should I move forward with the new person or should I begin with somebody old? See, I just spoke about, oh my God. Some of you have realized that, oh my God, you are manifesting somebody. You certainly, some of you are manifesting somebody. Now this could be an old person, this could be a new person, but I said reconciliation. Some of you, this person may have ghosted you in the past. This person is going to come back, and I do see you both reuniting, and there is this reconciliation, and you guys have been manifesting this. You guys have been manifesting a reconciliation with somebody, and that's happening. Some of you are manifesting, especially if you're single, you may be manifesting a new person in your life, and that is there, that is coming. Okay, that has come already, not coming, that person has come already. So if you have been single, you are manifesting a strong commitment, and that has come already. Okay, so I'm sure you may have a marriage proposal. Some of you may have a marriage proposal that may have come your way or is going to come in the next few days. So you are going to get a marriage proposal, or somebody who is going to tell you that they love you and they want to take it forward with you. So let's see what will be the advice for you, my Gemini. Any advice for my Geminis? 7 of Swords. Geminis, this is like, don't try to run away from the situation. Face the situation, okay? Don't try to run away from the situation, because I feel that you have to make a choice between two people. Could be 3 for some of you. You have choices and you don't know what to do. So you are trying to push or postpone that decision making process. You are like, you have to take a decision, but you don't know. So I think face the devil or face the fear. That is what I see. The advice is face the fear. Don't try to run away. Be loyal to your true self. What do you want? Be loyal to this person, whoever you're dealing with. If you love them, go forward. If you don't love them, there's no point in beating around the bush or staying stuck with somebody who doesn't deserve to be in the future, okay, in your future. This could be a person that you may have had breakup with in the past. With the Tower, I feel, with the Tower and 7 Swords, I feel that some of you are still trying to work on a relationship that is destined to die. A relationship that is not worth your time and effort. So I think you should move on. you should move on, and be loyal to your true self, be loyal to your heart, follow your heart, do what you feel like doing. Don't stay stuck with the person. It's like there is something that you have to do, like a decision that is pending from your end, but you're trying to postpone that. I said you're trying to postpone a decision making process. So I think you have to make an important decision, Gemini, and you are trying to push it away. It's like you're just passing the days and you don't know. I do see confusion. So these cards are like, don't try to run away from making this decision. Follow your heart, do what you feel like doing. Doesn't matter, maybe some of you you may have to end a relationship. Okay, that is also, it's like you are stuck in a toxic relationship, a relationship you're just not happy with. You have this new person in your life, but you are not willing to hurt the existing person for the new person. That could also be the thing. So I think you're trying to please your current partner with who you are not happy at all. You're trying to push your happiness away, and that's the message. Like, listen to your heart, follow your heart. Okay, so maybe you have to move away from somebody, Gemini. Okay, could be that you have to leave a person to move forward to a new commitment that you already have in your life. Okay, you have choices, decisions to be made. Let's see any more advice for my Gemini. Take a stand, take a stand. 7 of Swords, take a stand. Don't fear, be fearless, Geminis. I think some of you are living in fear. You are fearful. What will people tell around me? What will people say? There will be a lot of oppositions. If I take this decision, I will have my family against me. I'll have people who will go against me. They will not like my decision. But I think eventually you have to follow your heart. If you're not happy with the decision that you have made already, you can change. The power is in your hand, Gemini. So don't fear about what will people say. What will, if I take this action, what will happen? My parents won't agree, my friends won't agree, they'll disown me, etc., etc. Don't have such fears. If you feel what you're doing is right, if you're following your heart, I don't think you have to fear anything else. Okay, do what is best for you. You don't have to listen to people around you. They are not going to come and help you, or they are not the one who are supporting you. At the end, it's you who is supporting yourself. So you don't have to listen others. Okay, do what your heart says and do what is best for you. Do what makes you happy, Gemini. Okay, so guys, that was that. Bottom of the King of Cups. Yeah, I said you are madly in love with somebody, Gemini, madly, and I think you'll have to fight for this. You will have to fight. You will have to leave a connection to be with this person, a relationship that's not serving you, a relationship that you're not happy with and you have to leave somebody to be with somebody else. I see that kind of energy. So that was that, Gemini. I really hope this helps and resonates, and if this does, do like, share, subscribe, and do comment below how did this resonate. Okay, so that was that. You guys take care, be safe, bye.